Hey guys, it's Nicole, and for this week's nail art look, I did these super cute striped floral nails with an ombre accent nail and some glitter striping tape, so keep watching for the tutorial. So I started off with a basic white gel polish that I put on all of my nails, and you can also do a different color for the ombre if you wanted to start with a light pink at the bottom. I just did 3 colors instead of 4, but I decided to use white as well, plus it makes the other colors look brighter. And then once that first coat was cured, I went in with the colors for my ombre on my ring finger. And I'm using a lot of different colors today, so I'm just going to list them all below instead of showing you all of the individual bottles. And then I'm taking this ombre brush from Born Pretty store, and I just went side to side with that brush to get a nice ombre effect. And I did 2 coats, so everything will be blended together and the white base was covered. So just mess with it until you're happy with how it looks, and then I added more polish at the tip so it was fully covered before curing it. And then here's that second coat. So I just did it in the same way as the first one. So this just provides more coverage and it makes it more even, and I think it just makes it look nicer overall. Once that was cleaned up, I went ahead and cured that nail, and then I removed the tacky layer from all of my nails so I can do some stamping. So I'm using liquid latex first, just on the white nails I'm going to be stamping on. And I'm using a plate from Born Pretty store. It's the Q Girl 050 for this stripe print with black stamping polish. So I just put that horizontally on all of my nails. And then I removed the latex, and I cleaned everything up with a lint roller as well as some acetone for the last little bits. The lint roller just picks up more and it's not as messy. And then I took some glitter gel just to outline all of the stripes, just to add some sparkle, give a little bit more flair and design to it. And then I'm starting with the flowers. So I started off with some orange, and then I added some blue. And I'm also adding pink and then yellow and green. So you can kind of see I outlined on my pinky the left side, on my pointer finger the right side, and then I did the opposite corners on my middle finger and my thumb. I just kind of added little splashes of color here and there, and then added centers except for the roses, and then added some little green dots for the leaves that just pulls everything together. Honestly, I think these striped nails are super cute. I love the idea for them. They're adorable. And once everything was cured, I'm taking some glitter striping tape that I applied on my ring finger. And then I made sure that was secure before taking some top coat and top coating all of my nails. So I did 2 coats just to ensure that everything was fully covered, and especially on the striping tape to make sure that will stay flat. And then I removed the final tacky layer. And that's it for this week's nail art look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Leave any comments down below if you have any questions. And I'll leave, like I said, the product links in the description box below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!